Hey there. Just wanted to update people. We recently revamped our inventory sheet. We used to have a Google sheet that our guys could access on their phones, and quite frankly, it sucked. So we went through and we took pictures of everything, organized everything in our warehouse, and we organized it by these um, categories. So not perfect, but definitely a much better representation and allows the guys to view this on their phones and see what we have in the in our warehouse, so that we don't waste money or double buy things. So paint's a big thing, which we're going to reorganize this. It's not good enough just to take pictures of this. We need to organize it because we have specific paint colors that we need to organize, and this doesn't even say the color, so we need to revamp that. But plumbing parts, fixtures. So, we have a kitchen faucet and a shower faucet that we forgot about. We have some matte black ones as well, which is cool. So maybe I think I might use one of those on this renovation project we have. Insulation. I mean, you can see. So we got some scaffolding racking there, tile. And anyway, pretty cool. Got some appliances, some hardware, just all stuff that we've accumulated from jobs that will never go used if nobody knows it's there. So that's all I got. Uh, Show me what you got. If you got a better system out there, please do tell. Always looking to improve.